Good morning, everyone. I'm Mike Troyan. I'm a former underwriter with the federal government, and I would like to present to you some information that you may find extremely topical. Before we begin, I would like to do our morning devotion. Today I chose Matthew 10:32-33. Whoever shall confess me before men, him will I confess also before my Father which is in heaven. But whosoever shall deny me before men, him will I deny before my Father who is in heaven. And so we have an opportunity 24 hours a day to acknowledge him, and it is something that many of us do. If you're not doing it, you might attempt to do it. It's even been done at a gym before. I have witnessed that happen. I would like to talk to you today, particularly if you might be a business owner or if you're contemplating opening a business. We know all too well that the banks have been very difficult to obtain funding from on business loans. But did you know there's another program that was written way back in 1982 by the Securities and Exchange Commission for business owners only. And as a consequence, that program is thriving today. It is Regulation D, private placement. What the SEC did was they removed a lot of the layers that the banks put people through. For example, with this program, you can obtain a 30-year fixed rate loan. That's right, an amortization of 30 years, and there's no prepayment penalty, and there is no personal recourse. When a bank lends a business owner money, there is recourse. They want to lien your home. This program does not do that. What's also interesting about it, minimum published loan is $100,000. The maximum published loan is $15 million. And so it encompasses a wide range of businesses, which we have seen now coming across the entire country. I will tell you this, having gotten involved with this program in 2010, we hit the market right, because Forbes magazine says in 2012, this program funded $1.3 trillion. In 2012, this program funded $1.3 trillion, according to Forbes magazine. What's also unique about it, since they're not lending money to you or to me, it's all about the business. The funding closes in the name of the business, so there's not a personal credit report on you or I. And have I used the program? I have. The program worked flawlessly for me. It was a transaction of about 1.8 million, and I found it to be a very user-friendly program. The funding for this program comes from private investors that participate. They are referred to as accredited investors. To be an accredited investor, you have to have at least $1 million. If you're single, you make no less than $200,000 a year. If you're married, you make no less than $300,000 a year. Not much different than closing an FHA residential loan and selling it to an investor. Here, dealing with the investors pretty much from the get-go. And so if you're thinking of starting a business, or if your business you currently own needs capital, give me a call at 317-490-7487, 317-490-7487. And remember, folks, I'm the former federal underwriter. If you're thinking about buying a home, if you've got a workmate, a neighbor, a relative thinking about buying a home or refinancing, I'm the guy with over 20,000 hours of hands-on underwriting experience. My signature made the loan.